Hacking groups have always dominated the news in cybersecurity. Not only professionals but a general internet user is also intrigued by these hacking groups. In the last decade or so, these groups have gained a lot of importance. These groups have not only emerged as a nuisance on the internet but have also turned out to be resourceful for many governments. Hacking groups are becoming more and more commonplace. Here's a list of the 7 most notorious hacking groups of all time. The first is Anonymous. Anonymous got its start in 2003 on 4chan message boards in an unnamed forum. The group exhibits little organization and is loosely focused on the concept of social justice. For example, in 2008 the group took issue with the Church of Scientology and began disabling their websites, thus negatively impacting their search rankings in Google and overwhelming its fax machines with all-black images. In March 2008, a group of Anons marched past Scientology centers around the world wearing the now famous Guy Fawkes mask. As noted by The New Yorker, while the FBI and other law enforcement agencies have tracked down some of the group's more prolific members, the lack of any real hierarchy makes it almost impossible to identify or eliminate Anonymous as a whole. The second is Lizard Squad. Lizard Squad is a black hat hacking group mainly involved in targeting gaming websites. However, the group gained wide fame after it hacked into Malaysian Airlines website and defaced it with the message 404, plane not found, an apparent reference to their lost flight MH370 with 239 people on board. The group also attacked Facebook, Sony and Xbox, although Facebook denied any hack, but their service was down for some time due to DDoS attack carried out allegedly by Lizard Squad. Some members of the group were arrested in US and UK following their hacking into Sony and Xbox servers. The third is Bureau 121. Bureau 121 is North Korea's premier hacking unit. The elite military unit of hackers works under the Reconnaissance General Bureau, or RGB, the secretive North Korean spy agency. The belief is that the Bureau's cyber operations are a cost-effective way for North Korea to maintain an asymmetric military option and a means to gather intelligence. Its primary intelligence targets are South Korea, Japan, and the United States. In addition, North Korea reportedly uses its cyber warfare capabilities for espionage and supports its propaganda. The unit targets different sectors, including pharmaceutical manufacturers, research institutions, financial institutions, companies, government organizations, and major biotechnology companies. Its primary purpose is to conduct destructive and espionage activities against target networks and systems worldwide. The fourth is Network Crack Program Hacker Group. The Network Crack Program Hacker Group is one of the most prominent Chinese hacker group based out of Zhejiang in Sichuan province. It was founded in 1994 and is believed to be funded by People's Liberation Army of China. The founder of the group, Tan Dailin, is supposedly a member of the People's Liberation Army. It came into prominence after it hacked into 40% of the Hacker Association websites in China. They gained international media attention in 2007 when iDefense linked the Jin Wu kit developed by Tan Dailin to the 2006 cyber attacks on US Department of Defense. The fifth is LOLSEC. LOLSecurity, commonly abbreviated as LOLSEC, was a computer hacker group that claimed responsibility for several high-profile attacks, including the compromise of user accounts from Sony Pictures in 2011. The group also claimed responsibility for taking the CIA website offline. Some security professionals have commented that LOLSEC has drawn attention to insecure systems and the dangers of password reuse. It has gained attention due to its high-profile targets and the sarcastic messages it has posted in the aftermath of its attacks. One of the founders of LOLSEC was a computer security specialist who used the online moniker Sabu. The man accused of being Sabu has helped law enforcement track down other members of the organization as part of a plea deal. At least 4 associates of LOLSEC were arrested in March 2012 as part of this investigation. British authorities had previously announced the arrests of 2 teenagers they allege are LOLSEC members T-Flow and Topuri. The sixth is Equation Group. The Equation group only came to light because its members made a number of errors over the years. Given that the group was mostly targeting countries and governments considered to be enemies of the United States, and that the group seemed to have an unlimited budget, suspicions arose that the Equation group had government ties. While it has never been confirmed that this hacking group is working under the NSA, there is strong evidence that it probably is. Obviously, the NSA isn't going to confirm this connection. Very little is known about the Equation group, and they likely intend to keep it that way. The last is Syrian Electronic Army. The Syrian Electronic Army emerged in 2011 as a pro-Assad group of hackers. Given the group's avid support of the Assad regime, it is widely believed that the group has government ties, and Assad has publicly stated his support of the hacking group. The hackers have primarily focused on targeting US media outlets and social media pages. The Washington Post was a victim of the hacking group twice, as was the New York Times. Their most notorious attack was when they hacked the Associated Press's Twitter account, claiming that the White House was under attack and that then President Barack Obama had been injured. Over the past few years, the Syrian Electronic Army has stayed out of the headlines as it has focused on targets closer to home. However, in 2018 it was discovered that they have been developing malware for Android phones. To date, only one member of the hacking group has been arrested, while others are wanted by the FBI. Thanks for spending some time with us today. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and don't forget to subscribe.